First of all, we can use the rectangle in here to make the basic shape in here. Then we can make the another wings area on this building meshing, and then we can push it up. Okay, then we can make the line in here and push it down in here, or maybe we can add more attractive something in here. Okay, and then and after that we can select this line and make the diagonal line over there in here. Then we can make the basic meshing with this meshing like this. Okay, and then we can select the line. Okay, then we can push it to the front in here, and we can triple click and then make group. Okay, right now we can make the basic landscaping in here. Okay, and then we can select the rectangle in here. Okay, we can select the rectangle in here, and then we can select the water. We can select the water. Okay, like this, and then we can select the landscaping. We can select the landscaping element. Maybe we can use this one, or maybe we can make the simple coloring in here. Okay, and after that we can make the glazing. We can use the glass materials. Just click and move. Tap Control, place to this position, then we can type / and enter. And to this position, we can select move, tap Control. We can type 6/ and enter. Okay, and after that we can make the line in here. We can move. We can type / and enter. Okay, like this. So we can make the another facade elements in here. Okay, and after that we can make the another openings. And we can set the landscaping in here. Okay, and after that we can put some vegetation, and we can make the another elements like a roof element in here. Okay, we can make group, and okay, we can make uplift. Okay, then we can set the shadow in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, and don't forget to see for the next video. Thank you. Okay, thank you everyone.